become future stars. Chapter 4. Adaptation in Animals. Millions of years ago, huge animals called dinosaurs roamed the earth. Now, there are no dinosaurs. Do you know why? Some scientists believe that this happened due to a sudden change in the Earth's climate. They believe it became very cold, and the dinosaurs could not adjust to the cold conditions and died. In the natural world, a plant or an animal adapts or changes itself to suit its surroundings. This happens over hundreds or thousands of years. This process of changing to survive in the surroundings is called adaptation. Living things that are able to adapt themselves to their surroundings survive, while those that cannot adapt eventually die. Adaptation according to environment. Animals live in all parts of the world, in the hot deserts, high up in the mountains, and in the water. All animals are well adapted to live in their natural surroundings. Depending on the environment in which they live, they can be divided into 5 groups. 1. Terrestrial animals, animals living on land. 2. Aquatic animals, animals living in water. 3. Aerial animals, animals living in air. 4. Arboreal animals, animals living on trees. 5. Amphibians, animals living both on land and in water. Terrestrial animals. Animals like horses, lions and camels live on land. They are called terrestrial animals. These animals have legs to move and lungs too. Breathe. They also have well-developed sense organs and a nervous system in order to sense any change in their surroundings. Some animals, like snakes, do not have legs. Instead, they have plates or scales that help them to crawl. Animals like polar bears and Arctic foxes live in cold regions. They have thick fur on their bodies to keep them warm. They have layer of fat under the skin to be used as food in winter. The skin of desert animals is thick and not very hairy. It protects them from the intense heat of the sun. Aquatic animals. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Animals like fish, snails, turtles and crabs live in water. They breathe oxygen dissolved in water through gills. A fish has a streamlined body that reduces friction while swimming in water. It has fins that help it to swim and maintain balance in water. Its tail helps in changing direction. Some aquatic animals like whales and dolphins have lungs to breathe air. Aerial animals. Animals that fly are called aerial animals. These animals have wings that helps them fly. Most birds and many insects can fly. Bats are the only mammals that can fly. Aerial animals have a light bodies because of light bones and feathers. The shape of the body is such that it allows them to move easily cut through the air. Arboreal animals. Some animals spend most of their time on trees. They are called arboreal animals. Monkeys, tree lizards, flying squirrels and opossums are some arboreal animals. They have strong and broad hip girdles to support their body while climbing. A monkey's long curly tail helps it to swing from one branch to another. Amphibians. Some animals like frogs, salamanders and toads can live both on land and in water. Such animals are called amphibians. They have special features that help them to adapt successfully to live both on land and in water. Amphibians have limbs that help them in swimming. Brainy bites. The American bullfrog is the largest frog in North America, measuring 3 to 8 inches long. In the coldest climate, it hibernates in mud from October to early June. On land, amphibians breathe with their lungs. In water, their skin absorbs oxygen from the water and helps them to breathe. These animals also have folds of skin between the fingers of their feet. These are called webs. They help the animals to swim. Adaptation according to food habits. Different animals eat different types of food. According to their food habits, animals can be classified as follows: 1. Herbivores, plant-eating animals. 2. Carnivores, flesh-eating animals. 3. Omnivores, both plant and flesh-eating animals. 4. Parasites, animals living on or inside their hosts. 5. Scavengers, animals feeding on dead animals. Herbivores, animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. They have sharp cutting teeth at the front for biting and strong white teeth at the back for grinding their food. Examples: cow, goat, buffalo, giraffe, horse, elephant, etc. Carnivores, animals that eat the flesh of other animals are called carnivores. They have sharp front teeth to tear the flesh and broad back teeth to chew their food. Examples: lion, tiger, leopard, eagle, etc. Omnivores, animals that eat both plants and the flesh of other animals are called omnivores. Examples: dog, crow, human beings, etc. Parasites, some animals live on or inside the bodies of other living animals and get their food from them. Examples: lice, singular, louse, and mosquitoes. They suck the blood of their host. Roundworm and tapeworm live inside the bodies of the host and eat the digested food. Wow fact: the animals on which parasites depend for their food are called hosts. Scavengers, some animals feed on the flesh of dead animals. They are called scavengers. They have broad and strong teeth that help them to break the bones of dead animals. Scavenger birds have hooked beaks and curved talons that help them to feed on dead animals or carrion. Hyena, vulture, and falcon are examples of scavengers. Adaptations for protection. It is essential for all living beings to protect themselves in order to survive and live long. Animals have special sense organs which protect them from predators. They adopt the body's tricks to confuse from predators. Camouflage. The skin color of some animals matches their surroundings. It helps them to blend into the surroundings in order to hide from enemies. This is known as camouflage. Some examples are: a stick insect looks almost like a twig. Chameleons can change the color of skin to match their surroundings. Polar bear and Arctic fox have white fur that blends in with snow. Grasshoppers blend with the green color of leaves. Mimicry. Some animals imitate the sound of other animals who are their predators. They protect themselves from their enemy by confusing the enemy using mimicry. For example, moth caterpillar defends itself by mimicking a snake. Spines and shells. Some animals have spines or shells on their bodies to protect themselves. For example, porcupines and hedgehogs are covered with spines. Animals like turtles, tortoises, and snails have hard shells covering their body which protect the soft body of these animals. Horns. Some animals like cows, buffaloes use their horns to protect themselves from enemies. Migration. Some birds fly to warmer regions during winter months to protect themselves from the extreme cold and to search for food. They return to their homes after winter. This periodic movement is called migration. Estivation. Some desert animals cannot tolerate the extreme heat of the desert, so they enter a deep sleep-like state. This is called estivation. These animals return to their normal state when the climate becomes suitable. Example: earthworms, frogs. Hibernation. During winters, some animals become inactive or enter into a resting stage. This inactive stage is called hibernation. They do not eat food during the winter. They use the fat stored in their body. Examples: squirrel, snail. Rapid review. All animals are well adapted to live in their natural surroundings. Aquatic animals breathe air dissolved in water through gills. Animals, which fly, have a light body because of light bones and feathers. Amphibians have limbs for swimming. Animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivores. Like, share, and subscribe.